I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Absolutely fucking slammed. I can't be fucking beat. I am unbeatable. I am unbeaten. Unbeaten in melee combat. Am I being aimed at? I was being aimed at that entire time. You're a bitch. Come here, you fat fuck. Got him. I like gambling. This is why you should never gamble, kids. I've been scammed. Fucking phenomenal. This is a very funny tower. I can sacrifice my health to the gods and get money for it. Oh god, oh god. Skill, skill, skill. Pure fucking gaming. I do look fly as fuck with all my drip. And yes, you can grapple onto the corpses of your enemies. Oh my god, I just one-shot that thing. Very nice, very nice. Money is very nice because money lets you buy things. Oh, I hear you guys are some fucking bitches. Fuck shit. There we fucking go, baby. I'm gonna jump over here now. I just throw hands, I'll be honest. Whee! I throw hands, fly about, and make noises. Yeah! Fucking, here we go! You bitch! Fuck off! Fucking. Ben has picked up gasoline. What will he use the gasoline for? Punch it! Fucking beat it up! Take his lunch money! What the fuck am I looking at currently? And he's dead. What a fucking bitch. Fucking jump up, fly away! Fuck. I have no idea where the drone is. Oh, 2 people were fucking dead. Too bad for them. Hook onto that bitch. Send him to hell. Is everyone else dead? For fuck's sake. As long as I just keep punching, everything will be fine. Everything is fine. All right, well, there's no reason for me to not just start this, so let's fucking see. Holy shit, that was a lot of damage. I am immortal. I am fucking immortal. Look at my health. My fucking health is going down. Oh shit, no, it's going down. It's going down. No, 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 fuck. Okay, we need a moment to recover. Fuck you, bitch. This is how we kill this thing. There's multiple! That's probably why I was taking so much damage. Fucking grapple, grapple, grapple. Okay. Wait a second, wait a second. Fuck off. All right, let it charge. And go down! Put that shit in. Fucking die! Fuck you, you bastards! I will fucking kill you all! Fuck you! Okay, now let's not die to everything else. Fucking die! Let's fucking go! Who needs teammates when you have fists? Fuck off! The buffoon is flummoxed! Fucking idiot. Oh, no, I get a pod. I'm on fucking wheels. And I can run things over. I'm really good at gunning things down as Wally. Oh shit! The gate opened. Oh, this is all so fucking exciting. Okay. The fucking missile drone gives no shits. Wally. We're venturing down. High damage hits also blast enemies with a running flame tornado. Silence, heathen. Oh shit, coin. Oh, trying to gang up on me, eh? Being a bunch of bitches, eh? Well, I'll show you what for. I'll fucking kill you and I'll kill you again. Bitch! Fuck all of you. I will light you all on fire. I have money to burn. Let me fucking knock them up. Shit. Then I go back in. Knock them up. Bomb. Okay, so it would seem that Ben wants to fuck you, bombs. I'm bombing a squid. Wow. That was difficult. All right. Hello there, you fuckwit.
Hello, lads.
And Ben.
Hello.
So depressed. You know the Artificer's quest to one-shot a boss?
Yes? No.
Well,
I'm the captain now. You hurt me, hurty. Fuck you.
press shift and then just click 3 times. You'll enjoy it.
Orbital cannon.
So he's dead in T-minus 5 seconds. Aye aye, this is your captain speaking.
James really dodges it.
No, he's dodging it. He's dodging it. Guy in this way. Guy in this way. No. God damn it.
Fuck your sky syringe.
God damn it. It's fine. We can kill him anyway and just go to the second one because we're in Drizzle for whatever reason. Y'all are pathetic and want to play Drizzle. No, you can just tank it in Drizzle. It's not even fun.
The thing that isn't fun is you saying that everything isn't fun.
Drizzle's boring.
You're boring.
There's no threat in Drizzle.
Did we spawn under the fucking
That
water?
confused. Yeah, that really confused me for a moment.
The fuck it spawned under the water in David Jones' locker. Fuck.
He's a space captain, not a fucking, I don't know, pirate.
Goodbye now.
I like combining Acros Poison with Bleed. I personally think it's a very funny combination.
However, you are not funny, so...
It cancels out.
I would believe myself to be rather
No.
humorous as a person. No? Guess not then. Captain Shift Break. AP.
Miss me with that laser ship, bitch. Fuck out of here.
Buy no items, don't I allow lunar ones?
No.
No? Okay.
No items, James.
I was gonna say fucking glass. That'd be really funny. Just no items except shaped glass. For a thingy mabobby magicky.
Teleporter?
Of course.
Yeah, teleport.
Is that
See,
what-
Ollie gets it.
is
Ollie
that-
gets it.
Yeah,
Ollie
I
understands.
speak idiot.
I never understand you.
And somehow I
You call
do.
everything something 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 like fucking thingy mabobby majiggy.
Fucking thingy-mabobby-majig.
Exactly, like what?
What's the Yuki McSplooky, bro?
I will murder
How
you.
is that different from the Yoinky McSploinky?
Oh, they're very different, Ben. Completely different.
They are not at all different, Ben. Do not worry.
They're like opposites, basically. The Yuki Spooky and the Yonky Sploinky, bro.
You're a menace to society.
I'm aware.
Why do I see 4 healing drones all just above James?
Oh, that's because they're mine. They're my
Have you
healing
raised
drones.
an army?
You won't let me have items, so I'll have drones instead.
You won't
No,
let.
no, no.
You won't allow me items. I shall form a legion.
Can I have the backup plan? I think that's well. Is it
No,
just the
fuck you.
backup?
We're
Yeah,
starting.
backup.
Wait,
Am
what?
I allowed to back up? Oh,
Hold on.
and goodbye. I don't have crit, so it doesn't one shot, but it's a fair amount of damage. I think it was about 4.5.
I'm standing inside it.
Get out of it.
No.
Ooh, hoopoe feathers. Oh, there's a pathetic null there. Not that I'm going to pick any of it up, but yeah, there's a there. One drizzle, man.
Fuck you.
I'm gonna complain about drizzle this entire time. Just
I
ignore
will
me.
fucking drizzle on your fucking mum.
Oh. No thanks.
Not your mum, Ben. Don't worry.
Okay, good.
James,
Still,
your
it's a
mother
bit-
is not safe.
Oh,
They come in pairs.
There was 3
I
actually.
like stairs.
Three
I like
are
on the
three.
stairs. If anyone finds an item printer, I want to get rid of these item screens.
Found an item printer.
Yeah, you
Yeah, but it's not green or red.
didn't specify that.
Well, you didn't. Yeah, you just wanted an
Oh,
item
that's
printer.
true, yeah.
Where the fuck are they all going? Oh, that bitch is fucked.
You were allowed nothing, suffer.
Fair enough.
Ben just fucking. The way that Ben just fucking flies in, murders someone, then fucking flies out.
Can't be asked. Okay, that's
I
fair
mean,
enough.
it'd be a red.
It would be a red item for. Well, it'd be 2 red items for someone.
Shit, yeah.
I find it so fucking humorous the way that Ben just leaps at fucking airborne things. Shut up, plebeian, you have scurvy!
I've dropped a bomb on the Wandering Vagrant. If you just keep it in place for 20 seconds, it'll be dead. So
So,
I feel like you can kill it in that time, and it's also going to move out of the area.
Those are very
James'
small.
opinion.
It's 20 seconds, yeah.
Oh, there it is!
It's 20 seconds from detonation, so it's just literally forever, basically.
20 seconds is not forever.
It is quite close, actually.
It is rather close to forever.
I'm standing on top of him the entire time. Hell yeah.
Yeah, you'll know when it hits. Did it hit? I don't think it did.
No.
Yeah, no.
Well, guess I'm gonna have to
I'm weighing
just...
him down.
Ben just said, fuck you, ground pounded.
I've concocted a small army.
What the fuck?
Items are
Ooh.
completely
Oh,
unnecessary.
wait,
Well,
hang on.
see.
Shrine of the
Items are
Mountain.
unneeded.
Shrine
Shrine
of
of
the
the
Mountain.
mountain. Shrine of the mountain. Shrine of the mountain. Shrine of the mountain.
Shrine of the Mountain?
Shrine of the mountain. Shrine of the mountain. Shrine of the mountain. Shrine of the mountain.
Shrine of the Mountain.
I'm going to die.
I just see a flock of fucking drones following James. It's a fucking
I like
flock.
them a lot.
I survive forward.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Holy shit! Look how many ghost tomes.
Oh, thanks,
Hello,
Ben.
your items.
I lack offensive capabilities, however.
I lack offensive capabilities. They do not. Look at the fucking swarm. We have a fucking military worth of drones.
Hell yeah!
We get banned from fucking Toys R Us.
Only Toys R Us there.
Only Toys R Us. That's the only place that bans them. Okay, we're into insane difficulty. This is drizzle.
We are in drizzle. Bro, fucking 25 minutes and it's insane, bro.
Shut up,
I haven't died yet.
bitch.
I
Hey,
haven't
bro.
died and I haven't got items.
Maybe you're just a fucking nerd. Back up.
Oh, I really want
Yes.
the backup. I want the backup.
Oh, okay.
My drone army will
I've
survive.
marked it.
I put the backup into the drone.
Oh, that would be.
Use a drone.
So-
I use the drone.
I use the drones to make the drones. Oh my god.
Cheating. How does it determine when it uses it though?
Off cooldown.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Reddit and .com and get many.
Reddit and .com.
Yes, it has the both.
It has the both.
Don't we all?
James, for playing this game.
Do not scare me.
There's just a bunch of fucking laser minigun turrets.
Oh my god.
Alright,
Okay,
let's.
should we
Are we activated?
Yes,
Are we activated?
start it while I have the strike drone. Start it
Do
while
we?
I have the
Do we
strike
have?
drone.
Oh, I nearly
In
killed it.
single player, you can build your entire build around it. but
Sounds like an
in multiplayer-
excuse.
What? Okay, whatever. I've soloed to round 7 in Monsoon with this
Yep,
guy.
that's really cool, James. Stay mad.
I will stay mad. Fuck you.
What's this guy gonna think when he's stealing all of our items and he just takes some fucking scrap off James?
Doesn't get any. Oh my god, that's why it's the best strat.
It's the strat. It's the strat.
You can't lose anything if you have nothing to lose. Oh, there's 2 pillars here.
What the fuck?
What? What?
So. Look
Oh,
up.
you're up there.
What the fuck?
How the hell are you up there already?
Ben is
just-
fucking speedrunning.
I jumped into a wall, pressed shift a few times, and I went straight up super fucking fast. And I like slammed into the roof. Otherwise I would have gone way past it.
Fuck you.
No, the squid turret.
Fuck you.
Wait. I've just called an OGM strike onto the center. I don't know if I actually go there.
I mean, maybe.
Oh! Oh! Yeah! It's gonna hit!
How much damage? No!
No!
No! James, you're bad. Oh fuck!
The drone armies!
Oh my god.
Look at the fucking. James has enslaved an entire robot race.
Hang on.
James, one of your fucking drones went in my face and soaked up one of the strikes.
Mr. Mithrix, stand here, please.
Mr. Mithrix, we'd like to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Please, can you stand here for a moment? Yes!
Mr. Mithrix.
Yes!
Yeah, it's gonna hit.
Fuck you, bitch!
Yeah!
Oh, nice.
Yeah!
Where'd he go? Oh, up.
Oh, oh. Oh!
Oh!
I got one shot.
Yeah, he's gonna
Take my
steal.
fucking
Wait,
tomes.
he steal Ben's. Doesn't look like he's gonna steal yours.
No, it doesn't look like I'm dead. That was the plan all along, it was intentional.
Of course, of course. The fucking scrap box.
They're already back in his fucking inventory!
Oh, and he's gone.
My
He's gone.
strike! My fucking
yeah.
strike one shot him as soon as I got my fucking. What is it? The bazooka?
Oh, I won't be there to get back to the thing first. Have fun.
Yeah, no, you won't. I'm gonna have to go for that low one over there.
Hey, James. Orbital
Yeah?
strike.
Well, you need to leave immediately.
I'm gonna play Rex.
What the,
That's a bit
what the
command.
fuck is that? Hang on a fucking second.
It's me, bro. It's me. I'm the guy. It's me.
You snail-looking motherfucker.
Literally, just the guys that are flying, right? Just
Okay.
shoot only them with it,
I'm on
and
6.
just don't miss. Five head.
Just hit, just
Wow.
hit, just hit. Just don't,
Don't
just
hit,
don't
five
miss.
Just don't hit, yeah.
Just don't hit. Just don't hit.
Ah, I fucking hit a rock. That's not an enemy. Yet. The fucking little goblin that just fucking going underground. What the fuck? Why is your jump so high?
It's that's my shift. Bonk. That does not help at all. Spam down the things, duh. Five head.
Just shoot, Fivehead. James is so smart, he just says really dumb things. Or maybe he's just dumb. I don't know.
Let's go with that. Let's go with that.
What, you're just dumb?
No,
Jesus
I'm-
Christ, that does a lot.
Why? You do a lot, nerd.
No, I don't. Oh, shit. I'm dead.
Oh my god.
So, turns out I'm a little bit squishy. This fucking goblin. This creature.
fucking call me a creature, you child.
Okay, then what
Hey,
are
is
you?
that a red item? Oh, that's a yellow item. Pug. Literally immortality. Hello, yes. Immortal.
Hello, yes, I'd like to file a complaint. This
I'm
fucking.
not immortal! I'm not immortal! I'm not immortal!
Not immortal.
I have died for my
Fucking
hubris.
idiot.
Look at that.
I have died for my hubris.